We deeply vet premium bamboo and wood with monthly supplier audits. 31-point inspection standards ensure stable 98% plus pass rate. Grinding machines with 14 high-precision probes, 99.5% dimensional accuracy and 15% higher efficiency. Tailored solutions designed for specific product needs. Optimized to minimize transit damage and ensure product safety. Expert QC team following ISO, BRCGS, and GMP standards. Sampling records for every process. Ensure total compliance and authority. Independent areas for raw materials, semi-finished, and finished goods. Strict fire, moisture, pest control. Maintained at 10 to 35 degrees Celsius and 30 to 65% humidity. Labeled pallets and orderly shelving for 100% tracking. Supports on-site and scheduled slipstream verification. Random sampling by specified route, carton numbers. 2-hour initial response to anomalies. 24-hour corrected solution delivery. Provision of invoice, place, CO, and fumigation certificates. Active milestone reporting at your preferred frequency. Triple protected quality for a zero-worry partnership.